Hello, my name's Adam Price and I'm on the DBpixelhouse stand at ISE 2020. I've got a great product that I want to talk to you about today. This is PixelPux, which is our object recognition table. What we've got here are 3 different pucks. We designed this particular table for Alula for World Travel Market. Alula is an amazing place in Saudi Arabia, and you can see here that it's got some absolutely amazing landscapes. So we've got this little video and the screen's telling us to place an object on the table to find out more. So I'm going to place an object down here. This particular object is Winter at Tantora Festival. Now on January the 1st they have a balloon festival that starts. So this is telling you a little bit about the balloon festival. We can open some videos from here. I can also open a PDF and read all about the festival there. Or we've got an image gallery which shows us some of the amazing places that we can go to in winter. So I can move that to one side and I can now put Introduction to Alula. This is a different puck and this now gives me different assets. So I've got an Alula presentation that I can go through here, or I can go through and watch some videos. Now we can kind of do certain things with these. If you want to pinch and zoom and move these videos, we can do that, or we can have them play full screen. With our PixelPux table, it does allow us to control other screens as well. So if you wanted to use this as a platform to control a large video wall or one of our iPad walls, you can do that. There's no real limit to what you can do. We've kind of started introducing rotation into these as well, which isn't on this particular table, but you might want to have a 3D printed object on here or a physical object so people can deep dive and learn about that particular thing as well. So there you go, there's one user case of a PixelPux table. We've got lots of these that you can view on our website, which is www.dbpixelhouse.com. Take a look at PixelPux there, and if you need to know anything about them, get in touch. My name's Adam Price. Thank you.